Welcome to the OSA Connect app tutorial for Tier 1 and Tier 2 agencies. In this video, we'll guide you through what to expect once your tier certification has been submitted, including understanding the status meanings. Let's dive into the various statuses and what they signify. First, your certification starts in the In Progress status. This indicates that it's being worked on but has not been submitted yet. Once you've completed your certification, it moves to the Submitted status. At this stage, your certification has been successfully submitted to the Office of the State Auditor for review. When the Office of the State Auditor preliminarily approves your certification, it moves to the Preliminarily Approval status. This means it has passed initial review and is pending signature review. Now it's your turn. You'll need to review the preliminarily approved certification by clicking View. Once reviewed, it's time to sign your certification to confirm your agency's agreement. To electronically sign, click the Sign button under the Action column. Check the Agreement box to confirm your consent to electronically sign the document. Then enter your full name in the designated box and your title in the corresponding field. Finally, click Sign at the bottom of the box to complete the process. After signing, your certification moves to Pending Signature Review status, indicating it's awaiting final signature review from the Office of the State Auditor. Once the certification receives final signature review from the Office of the State Auditor, it transitions to the Executed status. And congratulations, your certification has now officially executed. To view your executed tier certification, click Certification in the Action column. And there you have it. Understanding the status meanings of the tier certification process empowers you to track and manage your certifications effectively through OSA Connect. Thank you for watching.